Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to use noise reduction in Lightroom. This method will work for both of your Android and iOS device, so follow along. First of all, open up your Lightroom application on your mobile device and open up a photo you want to edit. After opening the photo, go to the bottom menu of the screen and click on Detail. Inside Detail, make sure to select Noise. Now drag the little point towards the right hand side to reduce the noise in the photo. Now tap on Color Noise at the top, and you can also reduce color noise by dragging the little white dot towards the right hand side. Adjust the detail slider to control how much texture you keep, and then once you are done, you will be able to use the noise reduction tool in Lightroom. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.